Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen special for Honda CRV. Okay, let me unbox review. Let me open the box. You can check head units with good condition. This special harness. This is head unit. Okay, let me introduce harness set first. Okay, you can check this special harness for Honda CRV. This connector connects to our back of head unit. This canvas box and this connector. You can check CRV Civic power cable. Okay, this is connector and this connector and this radio antenna. Okay, this is harness. It comes with external microphone. And this camera input, camera in are set up. This audio cable. This subwoofer. This video out 1 and the video out 2. And this audio out, AUX out, front and rear, left and right. This connects our back connector. Okay, this AUX input, left and right. This video in. Okay. Let me show head unit. Okay, you can check the side. And this back, this is radio antenna, these connectors, this power fuse, and this comes with GPS antenna. This is connector GPS antenna. This is USB cable. There are 2 USB cable and external microphone. This long cable, you can check. Okay. There are This dangerous button on top of radio. Okay. Let me find some. Okay. Let me connect the power with 12 voltage. Okay, you can check PI's system. Okay. Okay. Please take out this screen protector before using. Okay, you can check the wallpaper. Adjust brightness. The radio. All apps are here. The link for Android Auto and CarPlay. Okay. Let me check the settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi. About machine, you can check the MCU and the CPU, octa-core PX5, RAM 4GB. Okay, it's an Android 9 Pi system. It's back button. Okay, let me check the storage. You can check total 64 GB. 64 GB. It's built in the Google Maps Play Store and easy connection for MirrorLink. DSP amplifier. Let me check the very fast response. Car settings, you can check this personal settings. This power of SC delay. It's also autoplay music. Navigation settings, you can choose the map, the Navisound, GPS test. Here have single GPS on, and the driver settings. It's reversing volume. You can turn on or turn off to watch video. And this real backup camera settings. The ruler tracking display X mirroring is steering wheel control decoder, back and bus box volume, IR, receptacle and microphone. Okay, that's all. Thank you.